Okay, if you love Iron Man and you love puzzles, I just made your life even better. This is a super cool four-dimensional puzzle that we had gotten for our kiddo, and he fell in love with this. Check this out. You build the whole stand, you build the whole mask, turning around, see the sides, kind of has a shiny material, so it looks super cool. This thing is awesome. It comes in 10 different sheets. You pop out all of the individual pieces before you start building. I think there's like 96 pieces total once you do that. And how this works is this product is like a cardboard plastic almost. So you can see, I'll give you a little video there on the inside. You have parts that slide in, and so you start to build all the different dimension of that main base, and then you pop these pieces on here at the top. So it has this clean, sleek look. Your own Iron Man mask. This is rad. It is complete with Tony Stark's signature. Made my kids say, so excited. Right, a little plaque here in the front. So you've got all this stuff. It was complex enough that my 10-year-old loved it. It kept him super engaged, but honestly, any adult would love this too. It's a really cool gift. It's really neat to have. And we were noticing that 4D had some other puzzles as well. So, yeah, I highly recommend this. If this is something you're on the market for, you're looking for something that feels like Iron Man's mask that you can put in your house or in your room, this is it.